This week, unlike any other event in AMWA itself, is really dedicated to bringing people together from all parts of the world and all parts of medical communication.
I come to the AMWA conference to learn, to network, and to present skills, as well as learn new skills from my colleagues here.
I want to connect and meet face-to-face with the people that I work with on a daily basis.
These are people who I'm connected with. These are people that I'm growing and developing with. That sense of community, that is one powerful way that AMWA differentiates itself.
So if you're dedicated to learning, AMWA is the place for you.
For me, I really value the AMWA educational program.
AMWA really is a leader in educating medical writers.
This is the epicenter of medical writing, and this is where I can learn new things, learn new skills, meet new people, expand my network.
I really enjoy catching up with everyone and seeing how they're doing and what's new in their world.